everyone! Welcome to our Shenta Acho podcast.
And by the way, I'm Sheena.
I'm Pearl.
And I'm Juanabe.
I'm Lawrence.
And I'm Glyza. So in this podcast, we want to share our different perspectives to give enlightenment and knowledge about the concept of pursuing different phases of love, breadwinner, cutting off a friendship, and self-concept. So this podcast is all about sharing our thoughts and experiences. So basically, it's all about mindset.
So, bakit nga ba mindset? Because mindset helps us to make some decisions, to paano makipag-socialize to each other because I believe we are different, diba? And also, overall, it shapes our personality. Mindset shapes us as a person. So, in our podcast, we will talk about some different mindset of each participants in our podcast, featuring some different topics and episodes. So, in the first episode, we will talk about the concept of pursuing.
And the first episode, we'll talk about the concept of pursuing. It is how to pursue someone and sharing experiences ng isang tao sa kanyang nililigawan, whether it's through actions or words. And if traditional, modern, or maybe in both ways siya kung paano manligaw. So, we'll see. And the second episode is all about the different phases of love.
So, different phases of love. So, I believe na each person, we have some different ways kung paano magmahal ng isang tao or paano tayo minahal ng isang tao. So, kumbaga meron tayong iba't ibang mindset or perspective regarding this topic. And ayun, you will about to witness some different perspective and mindset regarding different phases of love. So, abangan yan. And the third episode, we will talk about the concept of breadwinner.
So yun, the third episode is all about the concept of breadwinner. Kwento namin sa episode na to yung mga struggles and experiences bilang isang breadwinner or future breadwinner. So, abangan natin. So, the fourth episode naman is all about the concept of cutting off a friendship.
Okay, so fourth episode naman is pag-uusapan natin dito about concept of cutting off a friendship. So dito pag-uusapan namin kung ano nga bang para sa amin ang definition ng tunay na kaibigan at kung nakaranas na ba kami ng cutting off and kung kami na ba yung nakat sa friendship and kung paano namin ito na-handle. And abangan yan guys. So ang last episode naman natin is about concept of self.
So here the last episode of our podcast. So it's concept of self. Patatapin natin dito, gaano pa natin kilala yung sarili natin, kung meron na ba tayong self-improvement, and mapag-uusapan natin yan. Kaya abangan yan.
So please do support and we hope you enjoy our Shenta Acho podcast.
Bye! Bye!